He championed the Filipino first policy.
Ano yan naman kasama si Vice President Sara Duterte sa pamigayo ni Kasamtangan nga pop-up exhibit sa mall din hisalakbayan sa Davao. So sa iyong makita mga kasama kanang naka shirt na color green si Vice President Sara Duterte. Ayan.
So, VP Diosdado Macapagal or VP Dato.
So, kauban sa ni Vice President Sara Duterte, si former Vice President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
Of the common tao. To this end, the poor boy from Lubao abolished shared tenancy to help the farmers keep the food they worked hard to grow. The law is known as the Agricultural Land Reform Code. If you will notice the photographs, they show the VP in action, and in some photos, the VPs are colored shaded red.
Vice President Sara Duterte mga kasama.
Masyado kong mabagal. Hello!
Our very own Vice President Sara Duterte.
Our sixth VP is Emmanuel Maning Pelaez, who hails from Misamis Oriental. He served as a congressman and senator before he was elected as the first VP from Mindanao. He was a strong-willed leader. He famously stood up for the rule of law and the dignity of the Philippines in the world stage. He fast-tracked rural development by bringing electricity to provinces and lighting up even the most humble Filipino houses.
From Mindanao.
From Mindanao.
So,
Kasamtangan magkasama, nag-quick tour si Vice President Sara Duterte. Of course, with former Vice President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Nato na sa mga up coffee table. Human size din karon sa Osaka Mall ning dakbayan sa Davao.
He helped band the political opposition together to peacefully remove President Ferdinand Marcos Sr. from power. He was a lawyer and a senator.
Next, our ninth VP is the first non-lawyer VP. He was an actor, he era. He used his charisma to lead the presidential the stamp graphics that you see at top are the taglines the VPs are known for. In this case,
nasa bang presensya mga kasama ni Davao City Police Office, Acting City Director, Police Colonel Manan Caracas Muarin.
Over this side would normally be the exit panels, normally. Here, we have a synthesis of the whole exhibition where we assert that the VPs
So daghan kay mga tao din yung magkasama gibana-bana ang nasa 300 ka mga participants ang gikatakda nga mag-participate ngadto na sa coffee table book signing with our very own Vice President of the Philippines, Sara Duterte.
and to become the next generation of nation builders. They would be asked to think about which avenue of service they would like to focus on in the future. We have speech bubbles that they can choose from, which have statements, service statements, and they can have their photo taken with these statements. So we have cultural diversity, the most vulnerable, science and innovation, good governance, education, and other service statements. We will get back to the VP profiles now.
Go this way to the 10th VP. Looks very familiar.
So we have VP Maria Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. She topped the Senate elections in 1995. She's an Iron Lady who authored 55 laws that targeted economic growth and social welfare. Please notice the quotation from the VP and President. In the speech bubble, the power of one, if fearless and focused, is formidable, but the power of many working together is better. Do you want a photo?
You like to have a photo?
We're going that way.
We go this way to another Mindanaoan VP. VP Tito holds the distinction of being the only VP who was not elected. He was appointed by Okay, he was also known as the Graft Buster. He is remembered as an upright statesman who served as a safeguard of democracy and a defender of the national interest. If you will notice, there are colorful adjectives. They are one-word descriptions of the virtues of the VPs. Go to the next.
Over here is VP Noli Cabayan de Castro. He comes from the world of broadcasting. He used his VP platform
Dapat makasama
to focus
si
on social
our
housing
City
and
Director,
the needs
Police
of
Colonel Manan
marginalized
Caramas Mawari.
Filipinos. He served under the presidency of President Gloria Jean.
Mismo. TNT ko.
Careful, man. Next is former Makati City Mayor VP Jojo Binay, who is a compassionate leader for the poor. He started programs for senior citizens and healthcare that became a model for other local governments in the country and is still going on today. The artistic renditions of the VPs, along with their nickname tags, were designed as such so that it's easier for the audience to relate to them.
May I invite you to please stand here because at this vantage point, we will be able to see 3 women VPs. Happy Women's Month po. So VP-GMA is the country. VP Lenny is the second woman VP.
Okay. VP Lenny is known as the advocate. She's with strength and grace. She's the second woman VP. She focused on grassroots empowerment and institutionalized transparency within the OVP. Her Angat Buhay program, which is still going on, focused on helping the poor. Notice that the speech bubbles and translation boxes have certain colors. This one is blue for Lenny, it's blue for EMA, it's also blue. For Pelaez, it's red. So it's a color code, it's color coded. It matches these colors. And you will see why in the following panel.
Okay.
Okay? Ayun na, ma'am.
So currently, our 14th Vice President is VP Sara Duterte. The third woman to become VP and the third VP to come from Mindanao. She is the first ever woman mayor. As such, VP Sara Duterte has highlighted woman empowerment through initiatives focusing on economic independence, safety, and leadership. As a leader, she has championed the idea that supporting women is a direct investment in nation building and inclusive growth. She expanded the OVP's reach by establishing satellite offices nationwide to make government services more accessible. If we turn the corner, a picture mo na.
Picture mo na. Okay, we now come to the social media part of the exhibit, where the viewer is invited to have their photo taken beside their favorite VP. Notice that the VPs are arranged by island group and not chronologically. From left, we have the first 8, all from Luzon, and then we'll have the next 3 from Visayas, and then the last 3 from Mindanao. We also showcase some of the landmarks like Mount Apo, Mount Mayon, the Tamaraw of Mindoro, yung mga parol ng Pampanga, and Buhay Davao. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Then next. This is where the colors
Makes
make
sense.
sense.
Yan, Vice President Sara Duterte.
So this is the map of origin.
Hi, VP!
It illustrates very clearly where in the Philippines our VPs come from. A key takeaway from this map would be that the next VP can come from anywhere in the Philippines. This next panel shows us fast facts that humanize the VPs even more. So for example, in this little fast fact, we underline the idea that we have a father and daughter tandem who both serve as vice presidents and president of our country.
Now we're at the end of our tour. For this tour, we end with a timeline. It shows the term at the top and the names of the presidents ng colors ng OVP. ito. Maraming salamat po for the honor of being your dad.
And that ends our exhibit. Thank you so much, Blue Iguana.
Vice President Sara Duterte with the former Vice President as well, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, and the participants. 300 participants, mga kasama dinhi karon sa Osaka Hotel dinhi sa may Bahada area.
And gentlemen, to officially begin our program, may I invite everyone to please rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be followed by the invocation.
Ang bituin at araw niyang kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng kapit pagsintang puri langit sa pimo. Ang ligaya ng may mga api ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
اللهم احفظنا بحفظك الذي لا يرام واليك نفوض امرنا وايماننا اهلنا واموالنا واعراضنا وجميع ما انعمتنا به علينا. اللهم انا نعوذ برضاك وبرحمتك من كل سوء وشرور واحفظنا من فتنه الدنيا وعذاب الاخره. اللهم إنك أنت مطلع علينا وحدك ولا قادر علينا إلا أنت واملأ قلوبنا بحبك حبا شديدا ولا من رحمتك محرومين يا أرحم الراحمين. وصل اللهم على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم.
Akan maknawan kami sa sinabiyat ya umat sinatatabikan mengikuti yang Tuhan ya hujan ya Tuhan yang maha turun itu membuat itu ya kursi membuat itu ya nanti ya maknawan anhai jawa kami ya nak kursi itu membuat ini Isat buhay waga, tawaan tunghoy ami, pamilyami, yumak simitanong, iyanan teya manuan, ang kapuhinan imi pumukuhan, itsumawatan, tawaman ng imi kurangan manuan, iwaan na watsaan imi pamitanong.